In this video, I'm going to show you how to log in to Hostinger email quickly and easily. If you use Hostinger for your website or business email, this is the fastest way to access your inbox from any browser without needing to install extra software. Whether you're checking new messages, replying to clients, or just making sure your email is working properly, this guide will walk you through the exact steps. And before we begin, if this tutorial helps you out, please go ahead and hit like and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow, and it means a lot. Alright, let's get into it. First, open your web browser. This can be Chrome, Safari, Edge, or any browser you normally use. In the address bar, go to webmail.hostinger.com. This is Hostinger's official webmail login page, and it's the correct place to sign in to your email account. Once the page loads, you'll see the login form on the screen. Now, enter your email address in the mail field. Make sure you type the full email address correctly, including the domain name. Then enter your password in the password field. Double check your spelling if you're not sure, because even one small mistake can stop the login from working. After your email and password are entered, click the login button. Hostinger will verify your details, and if everything is correct, you'll be taken straight into your email inbox. If you have more than one email account with Hostinger, just make sure you're logging into the right one. And if the password doesn't work, take a moment to re-enter it carefully or check whether your keyboard caps lock is turned on. Sometimes the issue is as simple as a small typing mistake. Once you're logged in, you can read your messages, send new emails, and manage your inbox from the Webmail dashboard. This is especially useful if you're away from your main device and still need access to your business email. So to quickly recap, go to webmail.hostinger.com, enter your mail and password, and click login. That's all it takes to get into your Hostinger email account. If this video helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.